if you are learning Python, operators are something that you cannot afford to skip, right? तो आज मैं पाइथन की पूरी प्ले लिस्ट लेके आया हूँ जिसका नाम है पाइथन ऑपरेटर्स, राइट? तो ये पूरी प्ले लिस्ट बना रहा हूँ मैं, इंट्रोडक्शन टू पाइथन ऑपरेटर्स, जिसमें हम 7 ऑपरेटर्स कवर करेंगे। पहला अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स, ये सारा लाइन वाइज हम कवर करेंगे, राइट? नाउ आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स, राइट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, so arithmetic operators is perform mathematical calculations, right? जिसमें हम 4 या 5 यूज करेंगे। क्या ऑपरेटर्स? उसके नाम है एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, मॉड्यूलस, फ्लोर डिवीजन एंड एक्सपोनेंट। so these are all in what the arithmetic operators, right? so assign, what is assignment operators? Operators, it is used for assign or update values in a variables, right? जैसे हम is equal to, addition and equal to, and minus and equal to, multiplication and equal to, and division is equal to. These will cover in what? Assignment operators, right? So third one is comparing operators. What is that? We will compare two values, right? We will compare two values and return true or false, right? So we in this we will use the double equal sign, not equal to sign, greater than, less than. These all we will use in what? The comparing operators, right? Less than, greater, equal to, less than, equal to. These all operators we will use in the comparing operators. This is the fourth one, which is called logical operators, in which we will use what we have to do. We will combine what? We will combine and modify Boolean conditions, in which these operators we will use what? The AND, OR and NOT, right? These three we will use in logical operators. So this is the 5 number identity operators. Same object. So identity operators check whether two variables refer to the same object, right? In which we will use what? The is and is not, right? Is and is not. So this is called the identity operators, sorry, membership operators. So this is the operators. What we will do that? Perform operations on binary numbers. In bitwise operators we will study about binary numbers, in which we will use the symbols and or, right? These greater than, less than, less than. These all operators we will use in what? Bitwise operators. So this is all about the Python operators. This is a roadmap of Python operators, right? आप पूरी प्लेलिस्ट को देखना, मैं पूरा एक कोर्स बनाऊंगा जिसमें 7 ऑपरेटर्स होंगे। पहला अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स, असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स, कंपेरिंग ऑपरेटर्स, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स, आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर्स, मेंबरशिप ऑपरेटर्स एंड बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर्स, राइट? दूसरी बात, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, क्योंकि ये मैं सारे नए टॉपिक है जो A to Z में कवर करवाऊंगा, राइट? नो वरी अबाउट इट।